Good morning and welcome to Rhythm English. I am Pradosh Sharma and you are watching News Flash. Bangladesh Interim Chief Mohammad Yunus condemned the lawyer's death during violent protests over ISKCON leader Chinmoy Krishna Das' arrest. He ordered investigations and heightened security in Chittagong. Protests by Imran Khan supporters in Pakistan turned violent, killing 6 security personnel and injuring over 100. The government deployed the army in Islamabad, issuing shoot-on-sight orders amid growing unrest. Leaders paid homage to the victims of 2008 Mumbai terror attacks on its 16th anniversary. President Murmu vowed India's firm commitment to defeating terrorism. Sadhguru criticized Bangladesh for becoming autocratic, condemning the arrest of ISKCON's Chinmoy Krishna Das. He urged citizens to restore democracy. Samajwadi MP Zia-ur-Rahman Park allegedly incited communal violence during Sambal mosque clashes. 7 FIRs were filed, naming Park another accused. President Murmu hailed the Women's Reservation Bill as a milestone for empowering while addressing a joint parliamentary session marking Constitution Day. The Supreme Court dismissed a plea seeking a return to ballot voting, slamming claims of EVM tampering as excuses for election losses. ISKCON monk Chinmoy Das' arrest in Bangladesh sparked protests across cities. ISKCON and Hindu groups demanded international intervention for its release. China criticized Trump's proposed tariffs, warning against trade war. Trump placed duties on imports from Canada, Mexico, and China to counter drugs and immigration. Khalistani terrorist Gurpatwant Singh Pannu threatened to halt Air India operations in US, UK, and Australia by January 26, aligning with Trump's MAGA ideology. India's Ministry of External Affairs condemned the arrest of Hindu leader Chinmoy Das in Bangladesh, urging the country to protect its Hindu minority amid rising violence. Communal tensions in Sambal persisted as mosque server clashes left 5 dead and 20 injured. Schools reopened but internet services remained suspended. Trump vowed to impose steep tariffs on Canada, Mexico, and China, citing illegal immigration and drugs. He plans to act immediately upon assuming office. Pakistan's ISI sought UAE mediation to ease tensions with Imran Khan, but UAE refused amid public dissatisfaction with Pakistan's military leadership. Canada's NDP leader Jagmeet Singh urged Trudeau to fight Trump's proposed 25% tariffs on Canadian goods, warning of severe job losses. Violent clashes erupted during protests in Chittagong over ISKCON monk Chinmoy Das' detention, with police baton charging and using sound grenades. Russia launched 188 drones on Ukraine and fired a nuclear-capable missile amid escalating tensions with the West. Kyiv accused the US of prolonging the conflict. So that's all for the headlines of the day. For more updates, download the app and keep watching Rhythm.